Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to archive and unarchive messages on Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Messenger and long press the conversation which I want to archive, and now tap on archive, and the conversation will archived. And to unarchive any chat or conversation, tap on your profile photo to the top left corner of the screen, scroll down and tap on archive chats, and here you will find your archive chats list. And to unarchive any chats, again tap and hold the chat and tap on unarchive. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.